ingeniously in the arts of perfecting. It's funny because they added English Philippines here. Wait, since it says English Philippines, does that mean we're getting IKEA in the Philippines? I really want to give a big kudos to the people who interior designed IKEA because the interior decoration is just phenomenal with all the Filipino elements combined with the Swedish design of IKEA products. It's just amazing and mind-blowing. IKEA Philippines really went over and beyond in the decorating of this whole place. What I love about IKEA the most is that they really help people visualize what they actually want in their lifestyle and make all of those visions a reality. With the affordability, it feels like all of the dreams are possible. It can happen and it will happen. Whenever I see the prices of IKEA furniture, I can't help but feel puzzled, like how they actually make it more affordable to many people. One of the things that I observed is that they have furniture that you have to build on your own at home. So they give you the instructions and it's not totally from scratch. They already designed it in a way that kind of fits like Lego. At first, I thought people would find this tedious, but actually, people are really having fun with building their own furniture. And there's this satisfaction that I see in people's eyes when they see that their houses are getting better. If you guys know the movie 500 Days of Summer, the main characters there, Tom and Summer, went on an IKEA date and it was so romantic. They were pretending that they lived in the little pop-up IKEA decorated rooms and they were even lying down on the bed just dreaming about things. They went to the kitchen and they pretended that Summer was preparing food and Tom really enjoyed her cooking. Comment down below what your favorite part of IKEA is because for me, I have a lot. In IKEA right now.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah,
So
vlog.
extra.
Yes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow on this journey to the art of perfecting. See you guys soon. Bye!